This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming what is actually running so you stop the right thing. Open the integrated terminal and see the prompt and any process output. This tells you the shell and PID. Then glance at the status bar and debug console for active debug sessions or tasks. Once you know whether it's a terminal process, a task, or a debugger, you'll choose the correct stop method and avoid killing unrelated services. Now stop the process using the appropriate VS Code control. If it's in the terminal, click the trash can to kill that terminal or run a kill command with the PID. This cleanly terminates child processes. For built-in tasks, open Command Palette and choose Terminate Task or use the Cancel button in the Terminal tab. If you're debugging, press the red stop control or use Shift plus F5. This detaches the debugger and finish by verifying the process is truly gone. Check your system process list, PS on Mac OS/Linux or Task Manager on Windows, to find any orphaned children and kill them if needed. If VS Code still shows ghost sessions, reload the window or restart the app to reset UI state. If recurring, disable or update extensions that auto-launch processes and adjust task configurations to prevent persistent daemons. One troubleshooting tip: if a process won't die, identify its PID and force-kill it from your OS with care.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.